In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add menu in Framer. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable navigation bar that fits your brand and keeps your layout organized. Start by opening Framer and navigating to your project so you're looking at the canvas. This is your workspace for building the menu. Open the Layout panel, choose Frame, then click and drag a new frame onto the page. This frame is your menu container. Drag its edges so it spans the full width of your design and give it a comfortable header height. Position it at the very top so it behaves like a navigation bar. Use the alignment guides to keep it perfectly centered and straight. This saves time later. If your design has a header color, set that color on the frame now so the bar feels intentional. From the same layout panel, drag in an image and drop it inside the menu frame. This will act as your logo or a simple visual element. Click Choose Image, select the file you want, and click Open. If it comes in too large or too small, resize it by dragging the corners while keeping a bit of padding from the left edge for breathing room. If needed, adjust the fit options so it looks crisp without distortion. Make sure there's clear contrast between the image and the frame's background. Next, press T to activate the text tool. Then click inside the frame and type your navigation items, like Home, About, and Contact. Create a separate text layer for each item so they're easy to arrange. Set the font, size, and weight to match your brand. Place the items horizontally within the frame, keeping even spacing and aligning them vertically to the center. For consistency, duplicate your first text layer so styling stays identical, then update the words. Adjust letter spacing, capitalization, and color for readability, especially if your header is dark or light. That's all it takes: a frame for structure, an image for identity, and clear text labels for navigation. You've just added a polished menu in Framer that you can reuse across your project.